Homes that experience noticeable seasonal changes need windows that can adapt throughout the year. From warmer months to cooler periods, window performance directly affects comfort, airflow, and energy efficiency. For homeowners in Washington, double-hung windows are an ideal choice because they offer flexibility, durability, and year-round comfort that aligns perfectly with changing seasonal conditions. Designed for seasonal ventilation control, one of the standout benefits of double-hung windows is their dual-sash design. Both the top and bottom sashes can be opened independently, allowing homeowners to control airflow more precisely. In Washington homes, this flexibility is especially valuable during seasonal transitions. Opening the top sash allows warm air to escape, while opening the bottom sash brings in cooler, fresh air, helping naturally regulate indoor temperatures without relying entirely on heating or cooling systems. Comfort during warm and cool weather. As temperatures fluctuate, maintaining indoor comfort becomes a challenge. Double-hung windows make it easier to adjust ventilation based on current conditions. During warmer periods, increased airflow helps cool living spaces. When temperatures drop, both sashes close tightly to seal out drafts. For Washington homeowners, this adaptability helps maintain a comfortable indoor environment regardless of seasonal changes. Strong seals that protect against drafts. Modern double-hung windows are designed with advanced sealing technology. When closed, the sashes lock firmly into place, reducing air leakage and preventing drafts. In Washington homes, this tight seal is essential during cooler seasons, helping keep warm air inside and cold air out while improving overall energy efficiency. Energy efficiency for year-round savings. Double-hung windows support energy efficiency by reducing heat transfer through insulated frames and advanced glass options. By minimizing air leaks and temperature loss, these windows reduce strain on heating and cooling systems. For Washington homeowners, improved energy efficiency means more consistent indoor temperatures and lower utility costs throughout the year. Easy maintenance through seasonal changes. Seasonal weather can bring dirt, pollen, and moisture that affect window performance. Double-hung windows are known for their ease of maintenance, with many designs allowing sashes to tilt inward for convenient cleaning. In Washington homes, this feature makes it easier to keep windows clean and functioning properly as seasons change. Durable performance in variable conditions. Windows must withstand temperature shifts, moisture, and everyday use. Double-hung windows are built with durable materials that resist warping, swelling, and wear. For Washington homeowners, this durability ensures reliable performance through repeated seasonal cycles without frequent repairs or replacement. Improved indoor air quality. Changing seasons often bring shifts in indoor air quality. Double-hung windows allow homeowners to introduce fresh air when conditions are favorable, helping reduce indoor pollutants and stale air. In Washington homes, improved ventilation supports a healthier and more comfortable living environment year-round. Classic style that fits any season. Beyond performance, double-hung windows offer a timeless appearance that complements a wide range of home styles. Their balanced design looks appropriate year-round, regardless of seasonal decor or exterior changes. Washington homeowners appreciate windows that perform well without sacrificing style. Long-term value. For Washington homes, double-hung windows provide lasting value by combining adaptability, efficiency, and durability. Their ability to handle changing seasons makes them a practical investment that enhances comfort and home performance over time. A smart window choice for Washington's changing seasons. Homes with seasonal temperature shifts need windows that can keep up. Double-hung windows offer flexible ventilation, strong insulation, easy maintenance, and dependable durability. For Washington homeowners, they provide an ideal solution for maintaining comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind through every season.